Tired of tedious Jira admin tasks with endless tabs and clicks? How about gaining back hours of working time per year? Admin Toolbox for Jira, the ultimate collection of tools for Jira administrators. Skip multi-step searches and jump straight to your configuration items. Configuration Quick Search by names or IDs. Configuration Quick Search G+X lets you browse all configuration elements by name or ID and access a pre-filtered view with one click. Improved overviews with advanced filtering and bulk cleanup. Additionally, overview pages come with additional filtering options and advanced bulk removal options for unused configuration items. What's easier than testing configurations or reproducing issues from the user's perspective? Built-in user switcher for troubleshooting quick access. Simply use the shortcut G+U. Get insights into your Jira's core, your workflows. Drill down on app usage with the workflow report. Know exactly what's being used and where. Plus, with all the valuable insights this view provides, taking action is just a click away. How many hours or days have you spent within the workflow editor? Say hello to advanced workflow management. Use copy and paste or drag and drop sorting. Reuse instead of rebuild. Copy workflow elements like post functions with a single click, and directly sort them using drag and drop. Even for transitions. And if a single element isn't sufficient, even complete transitions can be copied, even from other workflows with a glimpse of an eye. With full control, of course. What would have taken quite some time and required many individual steps is done with just a few clicks. Error-free. Constantly looking for the needle in the haystack to keep projects aligned? Manage versions, components, and users in roles in bulk. Updating or realigning multiple projects can be especially painful. With bulk changes for projects, you can quickly spot differences and fix or update projects within seconds. Get rid of cumbersome time wasters. Admin Toolbox for Jira, the ultimate collection of tools for Jira administrators.